Okay, so here is the desk and how my setup is. Now the only issue I have is over here, and this is my only issue, is that gap. And I think it was due to putting on these legs. It was difficult to line up the holes, and I didn't feel like undoing them to fix that small gap. Other than that, everything else, you know, lined up how it should. So, and then it's interesting too, so you see how that lined up perfectly, along with other areas, but this one didn't. And honestly, I think it was the drill holes on these legs not being perfect, but I made it work. And then, yeah, a couple screws I didn't get on the legs. So for the manufacturer, whoever makes this, improve these holes for these legs. I think I only have like one in. You're supposed to have like two, I believe, per leg. So I ended up just saying forget it on a couple of them. So only issue, but other than that, it is awesome. And I love the desk. And it is the exact size I needed for a corner mount, because it gives me my gap in the back because it turns. So it is a true L-shaped desk that gives you the cornering factor for the back, and it has this nice ledge to give you more space up top, or you know, down below and up top, so you just get more desk. So overall, really awesome desk, and I highly recommend.
Very sturdy desk, very big. Very nice. Not the hardest to assemble. But I do want to say that some of the holes weren't aligning right. So that being said, I reached out, and really I was more interested in just I could come up with a solution of drilling my own holes and getting this top shelf put on. However, they just decided to say, hey, let's just send you a new desk, and you can use those spare parts and things like that for whatever you need. And I thought that was just super amazing of them to do. They did not have to do that. I was just thinking maybe, you know, reimburse me $20 and that'll be enough to buy supplies to you know, drill some holes, get some screws, do whatever I need to do to get this top shelf aligned with their holes that they had that just weren't aligning. But they came up with that solution, and I was super grateful for that. So I did use their other shelf, which the holes matched up perfectly, and so I do have the spare parts now. And technically you could just make a whole nother desk and just not have that top shelf, or again, maybe spend a few bucks and you could, you know, create that top shelf for you. So overall, love the desk.
I got the wood finish, and it's a pretty solid table. It's really strong, and it's quite heavy. Once you put it together, you can't really move it much, so just be mindful of that. But other than that, I would give it a solid 10 out of 10. Like, it's got two sides to hang the headphones. You can get it on here, or both on one side, or both on the other. The one thing I would say, you need to get something to get the cable managers, like one of those server racks. But other than that, the plug could use an on and off button, and it also could use one more plug. But other than that, I think everything else is good. Yeah, I've had it for about a month now.